Welcome to EMHWare training video number 2, the dashboard. When you successfully log into the system, you'll always be brought to this page here, which is what we call the dashboard in EMHWare. So this is just a calendar view of what you have been working on in EMHWare in the past or might have coming up in the future. We can see on each date here we have a total. So I can see that today I have one contact for 35 minutes and I've done one case data form. And I can see at the end of the row, we have our weekly totals. So I can see how many appointments, contacts, and case datas I've had for the whole week and the total time. And then down at the bottom, we have our monthly totals. So I can see how many appointments I've had for the whole month and how much time that totals. And I can click on any of these to view more details. So if I wanted to see my appointments for Wednesday, I can click on that and it's going to bring up a list of the 2 appointments that I have that total 5 hours and 50 minutes. Up here in the top right-hand corner, you can use these arrows to change months. So if I wanted to go back to July, I could use this arrow, or forward, I could use this one. Up at the top of the dashboard, you'll see these colored tabs here with these little check boxes. And this is basically just a filter for what you're looking at. So if you've had a really busy month and you just want to see your appointments or you just want to see your case notes, you can uncheck any of the other things to not display those. So it's just to filter to narrow down what you're looking at. Over here, underneath of your agency logo, you'll see the user menu, which was discussed in video number 1. And directly beside that now, because we're on the dashboard, you'll see the word dashboard, and I can click on that to open up the dashboard menu. So these are just different options of ways that I can view the dashboard. So whether I want to view that by day or by weekly view. I can also use this menu to jump to a specific date or pick a month from the drop-down as well as a year. If you're really far in the future or in the past and you just want to jump back to today, there is also a jump to today button, so I can use that to jump back to today. Directly to the right of that dashboard menu, you'll see your name, so whoever is logged in, and this is whose dashboard you're currently viewing. So by default, it will be on your own dashboard when you log in, but depending on your permissions and how your agency's privacy is set up, you may have the ability to view another worker's dashboard. So I can click on this worker's name here to bring up a pop-up to search for another worker. And I can search for that worker and I'd be able to bring up their dashboard. So if I was taking over for their appointments for the day, or if I'm a manager and I need to view what a worker has been up to, I can use this to view another dashboard. But by default, when you log in, it will just be on your own dashboard.